Oh no, they're getting away.
The Space Blobbles have gotten a head start on us.
What are your orders, Captain Go?
Full speed ahead, Pilot Mama.
Aye, aye, Captain. We'll catch up to those blobbles in... Actually, Navigator Dada,
Yes, Pilot Mama?
where are we? This part of space doesn't look too familiar to me.
Well, we're just past planet Parallax, and Auntie Go lives on Mars, so... no reception. Take the next right turn, and I'm sure we'll be fine. Here? Nothing. What about here? Nada. This phone is no use.
It looks like the Go family are lost in space.
At this rate, we'll never catch up to those Space Blobbles. If only we had a space map.
Map? Map! You're a genius, Maya. This old thing will get us there in no time.
Lead the way, Navigator Dada.
It's that-a-way.
This definitely isn't the way to Auntie Go's house. Are you sure you've got the map the right way up, Dada?
One of these aliens must know the way to Auntie Go's house.
Excuse me, Mr. Blob. Do you know the way to Mars? It's where Auntie Go lives, and we're in a hurry.
He said take a left. Thanks, Mr. Blob. Moon!
Oh, looks like those Space Blobbles thought they had the race won and stopped for a nibble.
Good job, Sammy. We've caught those Space Blobbles now. Quick, Pilot Mama. After those Space Blobbles. They're getting away.
Oh, this is a very tight race indeed.
We've got them now. What's wrong, Pilot Mama?
There are sheep blocking the road.
They're not sheep. They're fuzzy muzzies.
Whatever they are, we're stuck now.
Don't worry, I've got this. Shoo! Shoo, fussies! Please, step aside.
Well, that didn't work.
Sorry, Captain Go. It's no use.
Mama, why don't you use the laser beams to scare them off?
Laser beams? Oh, you mean full headlights.
Isn't that a bright idea?
Thanks for letting us through.